Amanda here. So I've been working this week, not been doing very much Stampin' Up. I've been working on my next journal, and this is using the Vintage Days kit by Origami. So I've not got very far, I've got all my pages together, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a really cool idea for a journaling spot. It's not a new idea. It's origami, which has been around for forever, but I'm going to show you how to turn it into a fun journaling spot that folds out and then folds together. So I'm going to cut a piece of coffee dyed paper to 8x8. You can use anything. You could use scrapbooking paper, you could use digital image print, you could use music paper, anything. You just don't want it to be too thick, because origami folds, you know, if the paper you start with is thick, then you'll have a chunky fold, and you want it to be nice and flat. So I'm going to leave this plain. However, what I will do afterwards is I'll unfold it all and I'll decorate all of the back. I'll probably stamp it and collage it, or add images to it or something. I'll collage all that, and it doesn't matter what size you start with, you'll get the same results. It just needs to be square. So this is 8x8. You could have 10x10 or 6x6 or whatever you want. Alright, and all you need to do is, it's so simple, it's ridiculous. So you fold from corner to corner, okay. If your paper's not, I mean, it should be square if you do it in trimmer, yeah, okay, corner to corner. Then fold one down and put that corner to the middle. I've even done a video on this before, doing it for card making. Alright, and then you fold it up like so, okay. That's it, right? So you've gone, folded it in half, then you've gone from that corner to the middle, and then you just fold back up on that fold there. Then you fold this side over, and you kind of judge it by eye, about, you know, so that this is going to be like an envelope flap. Alright, so about there. Alright. It's not going to be perfect. If you want to measure it, you can. I haven't got time for that. And then you fold this one over, and again by eye you want about the same there as you've got there. See how it protrudes, so that you've got a nice even kind of flap. So you just mess about with it. If you have to fold it and unfold it, don't matter. All it can do is add to the look. And then with this little bit here, I'm just going to zoom in. Alright, little bit. So then with this bit here, don't glue any of this down. With this bit here, stick your finger in, okay? Put your finger there in the middle and push it upwards, okay? So you've got like a diamond. So you put in your finger inside there, put your finger there and hold it, all right? And then you're folding that into like a diamond. You might need to manipulate it a bit to get it an even shape, and it should all line up with each other. And you'll end up with a little diamond there. And then what you can do with that is you fold over the lip of that, and it will tuck in like a little envelope. Now, it's not a firm tuck, it's only meant to be loose. What you can do is add a little paper clip there, but that will stay folded up in your book. And you could glue just three sides, sorry, so you can tuck behind it, and then that will obviously all open up like that for a journaling spot, okay? So it's just another really cool idea. I don't even know if I've shared it before for journaling. I might have done, but no harm in sharing again. And like I say, if you'd done it all collaged, it'd be beautiful. I'll just give you a quick look of where it will go. So this is my first page. I've done a pocket, a bit of collaging and some tags, okay? And then on here I did some collaging with stenciling. Let me just zoom out right, no, I'll leave it like that. This is a Stampin' Up stamp that looks like crackled paint. Bit of word stamp, bit of collage there with Origami and some music paper, doily, bit of a napkin, and then I left this one pretty plain, just a little bit of stamping. Alright, and then in this one, this is all just cutouts from the kit. That's like a journaling card that I glued together. And then this is one of the photos. I backed it on card to make it look like a proper photo. And that just tucks behind this little circle here. This was sent by my friend Kay. She made these. And it's got like a little pocket there. And then I've tucked some tickets in. Alright, and then I just glued it around the edge there so I could Just zoom out ever so slightly so that I could then use that as a tuck for the gentleman there, look. And then on this page we've got another pocket. I've done some bits of collaging on there. I've got the collage, it's like a kit that Artemis sells, and you've got all like tickets and things, and you can cut them out and then you can use them for collaging. Alright, so that's got 2 little journaling cards in there. Alright, and then I've done this so far. This is as far as I've got, and I did a double spread collage there. I shared that on my Instagram over the weekend. So this is a bit of napkin. I added some gesso and then it went all a bit wrong, so I sprayed it with loads of water and dabbed it off because it nearly couldn't see the napkin. And it's made the colours run a bit, but it just adds to it. And you know, I've got some good water splattering on there as well. I love it. Like water staining, it looks really cool. And then one of the little snippets I made last week I've added on there. So that's as far as I've got. So I will be decorating this page today, and then this will go on the bottom there. Okay, like so. Let me just zoom out a little bit. So it'll go on the bottom there like so, and then you obviously be able to fold it all out to journal on, okay, or to put hidden little journaling cards, whatever you want to do. So I will glue it on 3 sides, and I will put a tag behind there as well. So I just thought I'd come and share that really quickly. That's all the crafting I've been doing this week. So hopefully I've got a day off tomorrow, so I'll do some more crafting, and you'll see me on either Wednesday or Thursday. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Bye.